Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account. To do this, simply head over to google.com. It doesn't matter which browser you're in. Ensure that you sign into your Google account. Then click your profile on the upper right and click on manage your Google account. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is just go ahead and use a search right here at the top and simple type in delete account, for example. And you will see results showing delete your Google account. Click on that, and from here it's going to ask you to enter your email, your password. So I recommend that you know your password and just simple enter your password right there. Click and enter to log to access this page, and so you will be taken over to this page where you can actually delete your account. Now if you have any data there that you want to back up, just simply choose to download your data, and so you will be able to download your data. Once you download your data, ensure that you have that saved, and of course go through and read this information here to ensure that you carefully understand what you're getting into. Once you're satisfied, go down to the bottom and just simply go ahead and choose I acknowledge and I want to permanently delete my account. Once you select that, click on delete account and you'll be proceeding with deleting your Google account. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.